Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to change image size in PicsArt. Changing the image's size in PicsArt allows you to resize your photos to fit specific dimensions, whether for social media, printing, or other purposes. So here is how you can do it. Open up your PicsArt application on your mobile device and then tap on the plus See All button at the top left corner. Select an image that you want to resize from your gallery or choose a stock photo by tapping on background at the top right corner and select a photo from the stock library. After choosing a photo and the image is loaded, tap on the Tools option at the bottom of the screen. In the Tools menu, tap on Resize. You will see the current width and height of your image in pixels. You can manually enter the desired width and height to change the size of your image. Manually enter the width and size for your image by typing it down with the help of your keypad. After you are done, click on OK. And you will then be able to change the size of your image. Finally, click on the Next button at the top right-hand corner and then save the resized image to your device by tapping on Save at the bottom left. Or if you want to share it directly on social media, click on Post at the bottom right and choose a social media app. So that is how you will be able to resize or change the image size in PicsArt. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.